Alright, so in today's video I'll be showing you if we can vlog with this setup right here, iPhone 11. So the biggest problem is that this setup does not have external microphone, and therefore the audio probably suck right now. So I'm headed home and I'm gonna put a video Rode Micro on this thing and fix the audio issue. Okay, so I mounted the microphone onto the hot shoe with this iPhone 11 mount. I found it on eBay for like £5, so super good deal. But if you're wondering why we are in my bathroom, that's because there's a great mirror here and I can show you all what we got here. And we've got the Rode VideoMic Micro up here. We've got the Joby Gorilla Pod 1K up here. Down here. And we've got, like I said, the mount itself for this camera. Pretty neat. Works quite the charm, to be honest. I'm able to hold it like this. Alright, so problem I have with recording in that room is that it's perfectly lit up. And any iPhone or any phone for that matter is going to look great in such optimal lighting. So you can see over here in this living room, in this space, the lighting is suboptimal, therefore the quality dropped. It is I'm sure pretty grainy, or at least a bit, but overall I'm sure it looks pretty decent still. But you know, any minute that I spend indoors, I feel like I'm missing out on the beautiful weather out. So let's go out again, okay, shall we? Here we are, Richmond Park. Look how beautiful it is. Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks to the ultra wide angle, I'm sure you can all see how beautiful it is. So is iPhone 11 enough for YouTube? Of course, man. Are you kidding? People don't go to YouTube to watch videos on 40-inch TV with a popcorn and a can of soda. Like, no, they're just watching it on their phone and they want to be entertained. It's about the person. People like the person in front of the camera, not the camera. People don't care about the quality unless we're talking about some high production value stuff, which is totally different story. But yeah, let me show you around the park now. Trying to be quiet right now. I found these here. Look at them. That one's so gorgeous. Jeez, he's so gorgeous. It's just beautiful out here. I'm very fortunate to live close to this place. 20-minute walk. 20-minute walk. Just, oh, it's so beautiful. It is really. Just listen. Okay, there's a plane. There's a freaking plane coming by. Are you freaking kidding me, man? Not now. Anyway, so as you know, iPhone 11 got 2 lenses and iPhone 11 Pro got 3 lenses. So I personally didn't go for iPhone 11 Pro because it was too expensive, and this was already expensive enough and it does the job, and I love the ultra wide and regular lens. I really don't need the third lens. No, I don't need it. The only reason why I would want the iPhone 11 Pro is the size. I don't like the 11 being so big, but hey, I saved myself a couple $100 there. What do you think, George? Can you vlog with iPhone 11? What do you think? Yep, I think you can vlog with iPhone 11 just fine, and I think he agrees. You gotta come here, man. If you're in London, heck, even if you're in Birmingham, drive down here. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, and it goes all the way around. Oh, that's me, by the way. All right, Anyway, I'll see you at around 7:30, actually 7:30 or 8 p.m. on the way back, because I want to show you what this can do at 8 p.m. It's not quite as good as now, the quality drops, but it's still good. It's still doable. So I'll see you then, and yeah, I'll see you then. What is everyone? This is Pete from the future. Yes, I know how to travel in time. If you are also interested, make sure to comment below or DM me via Instagram. Now listen, in this clip I lost an audio, I messed up, I didn't plug in the microphone properly, so make sure that you do that at all times. I'm just in this clip recording both with the ultra wide and a regular lens to give you an idea how it looks. And yeah, I'm gonna just roll on to the next clip. So as promised, I'm right here on this very same road as I was just 45 minutes ago. So it's about 9:20 p.m. right now in UK. It's it's quite dark, and as you can see, it is quite grainy. I can't see the footage, but I'm very sure it's definitely usable. And you know, there's not many times that you would need to vlog at this hour. Like when you do a day in a life or whatever, or you do travel log, most of the time it is daylight. And if not, then you can just use this. It's fine. The viewers aren't gonna care. What they're gonna care about is what's in front of the camera. Trust me, investing in audio and a tripod, but most of the audio is gonna be much more crucial than the fact that it's grainy. People not gonna care as long as they can see what's going on. Like, trust me, I've failed on this so many times. I've tried so many different cameras, but I've come to realize that no matter what camera I use, people just care about what is in front of the camera and who is in front of the camera and the act, and not the freaking camera. Okay, that's not to say that everyone should be using iPhones, but that's just to prove that just iPhone 11 works fine. It works wonders. It's always in your pocket. You can use it. All you have to do is just buy this freaking $100 equipment, the Rode VideoMic Micro, the R7 cable. Obviously, you're probably gonna have the dongle already, and the tripod. I'm gonna link everything down below. And also, y'all know I've been using the ultra wide angle throughout this whole video, but at times I swapped to the regular lens. So I'm gonna do that right now so y'all can see. The quality gets a lot better, but yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. I don't know what else to say other than just go and do your thing with what you got right now. You know what I'm saying? But seriously, you do your thing with what you got available. It's not about what camera you got. You know, there's always the aim to get better production quality, but just that's fine, but don't get stuck with it. Okay, if you think better camera is gonna get you better videos, then by all means buy it, but don't let it control you. Okay, you can do the video that you always wanted to do with what you've got, or maybe a little more. So maybe just buy some accessories like the video mic and the mount for your iPhone, or whatever phone you got, and the tripod, and then you're good to go. So I'm signing off, you know, and this was not meant to be a technical video. I know I didn't give out any technical side of things, but this was purely meant to show you in reality what you get with this iPhone. And FYI, I was recording in 4K this whole time, 30 frames per second, just so y'all know. Anyway, I hope you're doing great during quarantine. If you're not in quarantine, okay. Seriously, I can't talk. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you're all well. Stay awesome and peace out.